In this video, I'll guide you through how to render or export a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. After complete the editing process on DaVinci Resolve, you need to click on Deliver. If you want to render a specific part of your video, then you need to click on here and select In Outrance. To render a specific part of your video, you need to change the time range and click on I to start and click O to stop. But if you want to render or export the whole video, then click here and select entire timeline. Now from the left hand side, you need to select custom export. But you can also go with preset export such as YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, Dropbox and more. But the best way is to go with is custom. Then select your file name. Then select your location. That's when where a video will be saved. To save a custom location, you need to click on Browse and choose your export folder and click on Save. DaVinci Resolve allows you to choose your custom resolution. To change your resolution, you need to click on Timeline Resolution and set your custom resolution. Then you can choose a custom frame rate. Now scroll down and click on Add to Render Queue. And again click on Add. Once your video will be added on render queue, then you need to click on Render All. Once the process is complete, then right click on your project and click on Open File Location. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily render or export video in DaVinci Resolve.